In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to make changes to items in your shipping basket on Target. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app or navigate to the official website of Target. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the cart page. Now over here, you're gonna find all the items that you have added for the purchase. To change the quantity of an item, locate the product and tap the plus or minus button or use the quantity drop down menu if you're on the website. The total price will automatically update based on the new quantity. If you no longer want the item, click on three dots. Then select the option remove an item. The item will be removed from your shopping basket immediately. For eligible items, you may also see options such as save for later or move to favorites, allowing you to keep the product without purchasing it right away. If you want to change your product size, color, or another variation, you may need to remove the current item from your basket and add the correct version from the product page depending on the item. Before proceeding to checkout, carefully review your basket to confirm the quantities, product options, pickup or shipping methods, and estimated total. Once everything looks correct, tap or click checkout to continue with your purchase, and that's it. This is how you can easily make changes to items in your shipping basket on Target. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.